Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for the time spent watching my video at all times. Okay, this bottle is not staying away, so I will be putting this to that for convenience's sake. And then okay, and if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are really welcome. Stay tuned and enjoy your stay. Okay, for today's video is very important. I use my gloves, your hand protector, very important, because what am I going to do today? I'm going to be showing us the hydrogen peroxide. This is hydrogen peroxide. This is the industrial one. Okay, this is the chemical. You can get this in the chemical shops. You can get them from your chemical vendors. This is the industrial one. Okay, and this is the, I'm sure you are familiar with this bottle. This is the pharmaceutical hydrogen peroxide. And of course, what do we use this for? A lot of things can be used for wound, which I'll be demonstrating today to see how much it is. You can use it for dressing of your wound. So this one is less, with less percentage of the content. The power, the strength of it is lesser than the industrial hydrogen peroxide. This is hydrogen peroxide for the pharmacy, the pharmaceutical one, and this is the industrial one. This one is stronger than this. Okay, because many will still say they use it to bleach their palm oil. Okay, so we're going to have a practicals and see which one is more powerful and which one is the best for bleaching your palm oil. Let's stay tuned and watch. Okay, while I say we need these gloves, look at it. Let me open it for us and listen carefully. Okay, if you can see it, you can see that it's a bit, the odor is bad, very corrosive. A little of it will burn your hand, which I've experienced several times when I think of being smart to open it without using protective gloves. Okay, so I'll be testing both of them. We're going to see it. Okay, you can see both of them have the same, they're all colorless. They're both colorless. You must be very careful. I want to be very careful. This is just 5 ml of it. You can see it's colorless too. You can see this is also colorless. Okay, both of them are colorless. Okay, so in case of this is the industrial one, don't let us mix it up, and this is the pharmaceutical one. Look at it to show how this one is less corrosive. I can go ahead and put this directly on my skin. I can go ahead and put it directly on my skin because it can be used to take care of wound. You can see it's not harmful. Please don't use the industrial hydrogen peroxide like that. It burns so well. I'll be using both of them to bleach my palm oil. And you remember we bleach palm oil with 2 chemicals. That is the sulfonic acid and the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, I'll be using this to test both the industrial hydrogen peroxide and the pharmaceutical one. Okay, so we need our sulfonic acid, and then you remember this is already hydrogen peroxide, the industrial one, and this is for the pharmacy. You can get this one in the pharmaceutical stores. Okay, so we're going to be using this to test which one bleaches, which one is the accurate one for bleaching. Okay, so what do we do? I'll be using the same sulfonic acid. Shouldn't use up to 5 because this one is not up to. Okay, so all the same, so I pour it there, and I measure for the second one. This one is not as much as that. Okay, okay. This is the one we're going to use for testing the chemical, the industrial one. Okay, and this is the one we're going to use to test the one for the found in the pharmacy. Okay, so we have gotten our both of them reactive well with the sulfonic acid. So now let us go for this. You know, this is the industrial one, so we pour it and then turn it. Okay, you know, like I said, you can bleach your palm oil within 5 minutes. You can see it's already changing the color, so we'll wait. Before you know, it becomes very, very clear. Okay, now let us pour the one bought in the pharmaceutical shop, and let's see their reaction. Okay, let's take note of it. This is the one, the blue spoon is the one with the industrial peroxide. This is the one for the pharmaceutical stores. Let's wait and see the outcome. Okay, here's our result now. Okay, look at it. This is for the industrial peroxide, and this is the pharmaceutical one. You can see which one bleached more. This one is faster and this one is slow. Thanks so much.